So I was discussing about all these patterns here, right? These are the different kinds of designs, and if you observe them, you will find a particular rule there. All these colors, all these designs have been arranged in a systematic way, right? So yesterday we saw the different kinds of patterns, number patterns, letter patterns, right? Yes, observe it again, once again, children, so that I can proceed further. Pattern, right? Pattern, two colors combination is there, black color combination and white color combination, right? Here is also same, black color combination and white color combination, but there is a particular rule. There is a flowers and all those the black color and white color have been arranged in a particular manner, right? The design is arranged in a particular manner. The flowers or the color combination or the things are repeated, but how they are repeated? Systematically repeated, right? Then we gone through the number patterns, right? So these are the number patterns. In number pattern, there is a specific rule. In number pattern, what is there? There is a specific rule. How the specific rule? That it can be addition, it can be subtraction, right? Or it can be the increasing hierarchy, increasing order, decreasing order, this way, right? If you observe here, the pattern is this way. Don't think about these below numbers. Okay, so don't think about these below numbers. Just see that 18, after 18, there is 15, after 15 there is 12, after 12 there is 9, after 9 there is 6, and after 6 there is 3, right? So we must have to identify the pattern. We must have to identify what next number will be. Okay, see, if you observe all this number here, you will find that the first number and the second number, there is a difference of 3. There is a difference of 3. That means 3 has been subtracted from the first number, right? For example, 18 minus 3, what answer will be getting? It's 15, right? 15 minus 3 will be getting answer 12. 12 minus 9 will be getting answer, sorry, 12 minus 3 will be getting answer 9. Again, 9 minus 3 will be getting answer 6. 6 minus 3 will be getting answer 3. And what will be the next number? 3 minus 3? 3 minus 3, that will be 0. Okay, so next number after 3, next number after 3 in this pattern will be 0. Yes, so this is the way we must have to identify what pattern is there exactly. Next, here, if you observe this number pattern here, these numbers here, you will come to know one thing, that it's the increasing pattern. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, right? It's increasing pattern. बढ़ता जा रहा है, जो numbers है वो क्या होते जा रहे हैं? बढ़ते जा रहे हैं. That means it's increasing pattern, right? और वो numbers किस तरह से बढ़ रहे हैं? First number में, जो first number है, first number और next number में 2 ऐड किए गए हैं, यानी कि 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 2 8, 8 plus 2 10, 10 plus 2 12, 12 plus 2 14. Okay, now can you tell me what will be the next number after 14? Can you respond me? What will be the next number after 14? Yes, respond through the chat box. What will be the next number? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, and after 14, what will be the next number? Respond through the chat box. I hope you must are responding from the through the chat box. So what will be the next number? Yes, absolutely. Very nice. So 16 will be the next number. Now, what will be the next number after 16? What will be the next number after 16? Respond through the chat box now. What will be the next number after 16? Yes. What will be the next number after 16? I want that answer now. Okay. I hope you must have responded. What will be the next number after 16? After 16, 16 के बाद में कौन सा नंबर रहेगा? What will be the next number after 16? Okay. Yeah. Dhruv, it will not be 17 beta, because in first number we have to add 2. Yes, absolutely. So 18 will be the next number. 18 will be the next number, because we are adding 2 after one number, after each number, right? $20. Yes, absolutely correct. So you must have understood that how the number pattern works, or how we should develop number pattern. Right, children? Understood, everyone? If yes, then please type Y in the chat box. Y in the chat box. Yes. Okay. That I want respond from everyone. Good, 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 good. Very nice. Now let's proceed further. देखते हैं अगला pattern कौन सा है तो. Yes. Now see this pattern. Here, don't think about these numbers. First, just see the above numbers. 10. Okay. After 10, 11. After 11, 13. After 13, 16. After 16, 20. Right? That means, first of all, you have to recognize the pattern. आपको पहले pattern को समझना होगा कि इसमें कौन सा रूल है, इसमें क्या ऑर्डर क्या है, इसमें सिस्टम कौन सा है, किस तरह से these numbers have been increased, right? If you observe these numbers, you will find that this is the increasing pattern, right? 10, 11, 13, 16, 20. That means this is increasing pattern. But what rule has been used there? कौन सा रूल वहां पे इस्तेमाल किया गया है? अगर रूल को देखा जाए तो रूल यहाँ पे इस तरह से है. 10. After 10 there is 11, right? After 10 there is 11. After 11 there is 13. After 13 there is 16. After 16 there is 20, right? अगर ये increasing pattern को अगर देखा जाए, ये numbers को अगर ध्यान से देखा जाए, if you observe these numbers properly, then you will come to know that इन दोनों numbers के बीच में एक बढ़ाया गया है. That means 1 is added 10. 1 is added in 10. After then, after 11 there is 13. That means here 2 is being added. 11 plus 2, 13. यहाँ पे 10 plus 1, 11. Then 11 plus 2, 13. After 13, the number is 16. That means here from 13 to 16, 3 is being added in 13. Right? 3 is being added in 13. After 16, there is 20. That means 4 is being added in 16. Right? मतलब अगर इस पैटर्न को समझने के बाद हमें एक बात समझ में आएगी कि ये जो इंक्रीजिंग पैटर्न है, इन इंक्रीजिंग पैटर्न में पहले नंबर में एक एक नंबर ऐड होते जा रहा है. राइट? 10 plus 11 यहाँ पे एक ऐड किया, फिर सेकेंड टाइम पे जो नेक्स्ट नंबर है उसके लिए 2 ऐड किए गए, 11 plus 2, 13. नेक्स्ट नंबर के लिए 3 ऐड किए गए, 13 plus 3, 16. नेक्स्ट नंबर के लिए 4 ऐड किए गए, दैट मींस 16 plus 4, 20. नाउ Can you guess what will be the next number? Can you guess what will be the next number? Yes, respond to the chat box now. Let me see how intelligent you are. Okay. Don't give answer just for the sake. सोचो पहले, अच्छे से देखो. Okay. I told you that 10 plus 1 11, फिर बाद में 2 ऐड किए गए, 11 plus 2 13, फिर बाद में 3 ऐड किए गए, 13 plus 3 16, फिर यहाँ पे 4 ऐड किए गए, 16 plus 4 it's 20. तो अभी किसकी बारी है? कितना ऐड करने पड़ेंगे हमें 20 में? You first give me the correct answer. What will be the next number after 20? Come on. Give me answer. What will be the next number after 20? Because pattern is there in front of you. आपको exactly क्या करना है ये भी मैंने आपको बताया है. Yes. सोचो. What will be the next number after 20? So I hope you all have recognized what will be the next number. Let me check. What is the answer correct? Okay, so I have got many responses. Oh, yes. 25. 25 is the correct answer. Absolutely right. Not 24. 24 is not correct answer. 21 is not correct answer. The correct answer is 25. Because 20 में कितने ऐड करने पड़ेंगे हमको? 20 plus 5. Then we'll be getting answer 25. Yes. So dear children, 25 is the correct answer. 25 is the correct answer. Let me tell you once again. So 10 plus 1, 11, 11 plus 2, 13, 13 plus 3, 16, 16 plus 4, 20, and 20 plus 5, that will be the 25. So 25 will be the next number after 20. Let's see. See, अभी यहाँ पे बहुत सारे आपको पैटर्न्स दिए गए हैं. See, number patterns. Now tell me about this. Solve this. 4 plus 3 7, 7 plus 2 9, 9 plus 3 12. What will be the next number? Abhi, after observing this pattern, you must come to know one thing, that here after one number 2 is being added, and after that number 3 is being added. After next number 2 is being added, and after next number 3 has been added. Right? मतलब हर नंबर के बाद में 2 3 इस तरह से नंबर्स ऐड किए गए हैं. राइट? मतलब 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 3 7, again 7 plus 2 9, and 9 plus 3 12. तो अभी 12 में कितने हमें प्लस करने होंगे? 12 में हमें कितने प्लस करने होंगे? Yes. Okay. So give me the correct answer. What will be the next number after 12? What will be the next number after 12? Because एक बार आपको 2 ऐड करना है, एक बार आपको 3 ऐड करना है, एक बार आपको 2 ऐड करना है, एक बार आपको 3 ऐड करना है. ओके, तो अभी 12 के बाद में कौन सा नंबर आएगा? What will be the next number after 12? Yes, because I told you, एक बार आपको कितने ऐड करने हैं? 2 ऐड करने हैं. एक बार 2, एक बार 3, एक बार 2, एक बार 3, एक बार 2, एक बार 3. अभी यहाँ पे 9 में 3 तो ऐड हो चुके हैं. 9 plus 3 it's 12. So you have to add 2 in 12. Then we'll be getting answer. Let me check it. So what will the next number after 12? Yes, 14. 14 is the correct answer. 14 is the correct answer. 12 plus 2 is equal to 14. Yeah, it's very simple. Great. Okay, now let's proceed further. Now concentrate. Do not respond through the chat box now. Do not respond through the chat box. Yeah, 14 is the correct answer. Now pay attention on the screen. Okay, so this is the way, children. There are letters patterns also and numbers patterns also. अभी यहाँ पे अगर देखा जाए तो कुछ रूल्स दिए गए हैं हमें, यहाँ पे रूल्स है. ओके, सो अगर हम लोग इस लास्ट की बात की जाए, सेकेंड लास्ट की, इसकी बात की जाए. ओके, सो हियर फर्स्ट इज गिवन कैंडल, next is given birthday cap, right? Candle, after candle birthday cap, after birthday cap again birthday cap. That means candle, birthday cap, birthday cap. Candle, birthday cap, birthday cap. Candle, birthday cap, birthday cap. What will be the same next? That will be also candle, birthday cap and birthday cap. Okay. अगर अभी अगर को अगर A कहे, candle is A and this birthday cap is B, right? Candle is A, birthday cap is B. So again here birthday cap, that means B. So this pattern is A, B, B, correct? A, B, B. Again here is A, next birthday cap is B, again birthday cap is B. So how is the pattern here? A, B, B, A, B, B. Next is given there. Again A, B, B. Right? Just a minute, children. तो अगर पैटर्न की बात की जाए यहाँ पे, तो ये पैटर्न किस तरह से है? अगर हम कैंडल को A बोलेंगे, A, B, B, A, B, B, and this candle A, B, B. This is the pattern here. A, B, B, A, B, B, A, B, B. Right? See here. Now see the first. How is the pattern there? How is the pattern? Suppose if this teddy bear we call A, teddy bear को अगर हम लोग A बोलेंगे और इस cap को अगर B बोलेंगे, so how is the pattern here? Teddy bear is A and cap is B. So how is the pattern? A, again A, B, again B. A, again A, B, again B. Right? That means A, B, B, A, B, B. This is the pattern here. This is the increasing pattern. What pattern? A, B, B, A, B, B. This way. Right? Now next. अब इस पैटर्न की बात करेंगे. This pattern. Suppose this lollipop is A. Lollipop is A and duck is B. Lollipop क्या है? A है और duck क्या है? B है. So what is the pattern there? अगर हम lollipop को A कहे, right, और duck को B कहे, so what is the pattern there? Tell me you now. Lollipop क्या है? A है. Duck क्या है? B है. तो किस तरह का पैटर्न है ये? जैसे हमने पहले देखा A, B, B, A, B, B, this way. कहीं पे A, B, B था, A, B, B था, A, B, B था. अभी ये वाला कौन सा पैटर्न है? This pattern I'm asking you. Lollipop and duck pattern. Here in that pattern, two pictures have been used. One picture is lollipop, and another pattern, another picture is duck. So what is the pattern? If we call lollipop A and if we call duck B, then what is the pattern is there? Respond to the chat box. I'm waiting for your answer. I'm waiting for your answer, children. Come on, everyone. Okay, so it's very simple. I hope you must have given answer, everyone. So the pattern is, if we call lollipop A and duck B, then first of all I'll be seeing your responses. Yes, absolutely right. So the pattern is, let's see what is the pattern. I was discussing about this, and I said that if the lollipop is A and duck is B, then the pattern will be this way. Lollipop is A and duck is B. Then the pattern is lollipop is A and duck is B. That means AAB. AAB, AAB, AAB. Okay, again A here, again A here, and B this. Again A here, again A here, B is here. That means the pattern is AAB, AAB, AAB. Yes. Let me check how many you have given correct answer. AB, yes, absolutely right. The pattern is E. Very nice, children. Very good. Now let's proceed further. Now, okay, color pattern. Let's see color pattern. If you see here, blue color, red color, blue color, blue color. What will be the next number? Sorry, next color, blue, red. Blue. What will be the what color will be after blue? After this blue here, respond to the chat box. Everyone, come on. What will be the next number? Yes. What will be the next color? It's very simple. Let me check. This color will be red. Yes, very nice, children. Because blue, red, blue, red, blue. After blue will be red. That means there is a pattern A, B, A, A, B. This way, right? If we call this, if you call this blue color circle A and red color circle B, then how is the pattern there? A, B, A, B. What is B? That means here will be red color circle. Absolutely correct. Yes, now here, this is now shape. Shape has been arranged in a systematic way. This is also a kind of pattern. So now here, if you observe this pattern here, after observing this pattern, you will come to know that there is a system. There is, these shapes have been arranged in a systematic way, has been repeated in a systematic way. Tell me, what will be the shape, what shape will be there in the question mark? इस जगह पे कौन सा shape आएगा? Whether circle or square? Whether circle or square? Respond to the chat box. Whether circle or square? So the correct answer is, what is the correct answer, children? Yes, square. Square is the correct answer. Absolutely right. So after circle, there is square. After circle, there is square. After circle, there is square. So that means after in this pattern, after circle, there will be square. Yes. Now see this. Observe this pattern. Now we'll be taking the exercises. We have to understand the what is pattern is there exactly, whether it's ABB, or what the next figure will be. So अभी हम लोग ये study करेंगे. Okay. Let's see now.